Good morning. Well, it's morning here, North Florida. What is up? What is up? It's been a long time since I've done one of these driving around videos, but I did just hear a train, and we're gonna go see if we can catch it. We're gonna catch it. Publix over there, Hardee's over there, busy as can be, right before the holidays. Of course, I think Hardee's is open on Thanksgiving. Let's take a look in front of us, see what the weather looks like. Nice day. 66 degrees, you don't need a jacket. Blue skies, green trees. Just enjoy this view and this ride with me. We're gonna go catch ourselves a choo-choo train. You don't see those very often here in North Florida. Seaplane. It's pretty cool. Seaplane. You normally see those down in Central Florida near Leesburg.